What if the greatest connectors of ancient civilizations weren't emperors or warriors, but a little-known group of merchants from Central Asia? Meet the Sogdians, an enigmatic people whose influence stretched thousands of miles across Eurasia. Flourishing between the 4th and 8th centuries, the Sogdians hailed from the fertile Zaravshan Valley, in what is now Uzbekistan and Tajikistan. Their mastery of languages and cultures allowed them to serve as vital intermediaries between China, Persia, India, and even Byzantium. Sogdian caravans braved deserts, mountains, and bandits, carrying not just silk and spices, but also ideas, religions, and art. Their settlements dotted the Silk Road, with vibrant communities in cities like Samarkand and Chang'an. Remarkably, Sogdian letters found in China reveal how they negotiated, translated, and navigated diverse societies with remarkable skill. While their empire never rivaled Rome or China in size or military power, their cultural and economic impact was profound. The Sogdians, often overlooked in history, were the invisible hands shaping Eurasian connections and exchanges for centuries.